Oh, shit. Come on, upsy daisy. Upsy daisy, baby. Upsy daisy. Whoop. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Here's something you don't see every day. Brazing fittings for AC lines. Check this out.
There you go. What's that? What's that? Wow. I tell you all the time, don't point your flame at you. With this, it's easy to do. Just don't let your plastic jacket get in the way.
Yeah.
Well, this
You
one's,
get kind of get
one's got
occupied.
this one's got a heater in it, so I wouldn't want to mess it up.
Oh, heck no. Yeah, those are slick. I've seen them.
I'm glad I caught this one though, because it was about to get crimped to a hose when I caught it. Oh, come on, let go.
Yeah, then
Let
you just
go,
have to
you
start
dirty.
over.
Come on, get over here, baby. Open, get out. All right,
Sweet.
just like that.
That's awesome.
Bada bing, bada bing. And every part I do gets tested.
Okay.
Going out.
Oh, I see. A little air pressure to test it. Well, don't see any
115 pounds of
leaks.
pressure. Good to go.
And there's the hose that it's going to go on.
They're marked straight
Oh,
across.
so you got reference points.
Yep.
To, okay, okay.
Size 8.
That's something you don't want to put your finger in.
No. And you don't want to have sex with it either. She gets a little moody.
Yeah.
And if she don't want to let go of it, she damn sure ain't gonna let go. Alright, let's see here. So this is.
Boom. Look at that. How about that? You want to know where you can get hoses like this made? Come see my buddies at A H Automotive. They can hook you up. Thanks, dude.
No problem, bro. Thank you.